iFixit is an open source and I am so excited to be here. I just met the framework team over there. Prusa is here showing off their printing gear, and I saw Grogu driving around in a little droid. Let's check it out and see what we have here and what these makers have come up with this year. Open Source is a giant maker festival in San Mateo that brings together hundreds of creators, inventors, and engineers to share their latest projects, weird experiments, and incredible builds.
I mean, this is one of my favorite events of the year. I love coming here. It's a great place to meet fans, see really amazing projects, and then it's really the only event of the year where everybody who makes similar content to me is in the same place. And so it really feels, it's one of the only places that I could come that feels like being among my peers.
Seeing our tools in use and getting to meet the people that use them is really something, but it's the projects that come out the other end that gets this event going.
I've never seen so much soldering happen in one place before. How did this come about?
Well, Arduino sponsored this, but there's been some kind of soldering going on this kind of event, because it's good to get people going and learning about soldering. And also they get to bring a little board home that they can program. Actually, they have this board that you can solder on top of this, which is actually programmable with Arduino. And it's called eyebrows in Italian. So this one, you solder it over here, you can program it with Arduino.
Very
It says eyebrows in Italian.
That's awesome.
You haven't done yours yet.
I was trying to solder, but somebody said, no, go away. Get in the queue like everybody. Get in the line like everybody else.
I have a question for you. What's up? Do you guys have tools to repair iPhone minis?
I believe so. I mean, what? Oh man.
Is that a Chinese clone? I love that. It's amazing.
Does this work?
It's an actual phone. This is like before and after the diet.
I have questions about how do you make a device like this for $45 and still make any profit on it?
That is pretty cool. Yeah, thanks
So
for
I do
sharing
want to
that.
do a teardown because my curiosity is like, what components does it have in it that can make it this cheap? Like, this
And it
is
seems
not a
pretty
big-
fully functional, right?
It's very functional.
Yeah.
I often find things in the markets that I'm like, how did they make this so cheap? Right? Like, what about the manufacturing?
So this is probably illegal in multiple countries because it's not certified.
Oh, I'm sure.
So
I'm sure you can't even find the manufacturing. Like, I don't know who made it. It's being sold kind of generic.
yeah,
So that's the strange
Amazing.
parts, deep dive in the making, I reckon. That's
amazing.
We're gonna watch that. We'll wait for that video. Open source is exactly the type of event iFixit was made for. So getting to spend the weekend with thousands of hackers, makers, and fixers that share that same curiosity and passion for repair as we do is really something special. If you're getting into repair, maybe you're learning how to solder, or you just want to hang out with other nerds and makers, come check us out next year, or go check out your local repair cafe or makerspace.